it's me, Sarah, and I'm back with another story from Aesop's Fables. And this book is written by Micheal Morpurgo and Emma Chichester Clark. We're going to add the hare and the tortoise to our little rock collection. So far, we have the lion and the mouse from the story before this one. Let's show you how. So, to continue our rock collection, we're going to do the rabbit and the tortoise. Now for the rabbit, you're gonna grab a rock and paint it in brown, like this one. And for the tortoise, you're gonna paint it in green. Now you can paint more detail, but for me to make it easy for you, I'm gonna grab a black marker and we're just gonna draw the detail on the rock. So for the rabbit, I'm going to draw 2 ears, two eyes, and a nose. And like that, we have a rabbit. Now if you want, you can color in his ears and maybe put white on his eyes, up to you. But that's my simple version. So that's the rabbit. And now for the tortoise, this rock is very convenient because it looks like a tortoise a bit. So we're gonna make a line here, and that line is going to be its face. So we're gonna make a line over here. We're gonna give it 2 eyes. And then we're going to draw the tortoise shell. We're gonna add a small tail on the back. And here we have a little tortoise. And we're adding that to our collection. So far we have the tortoise and the hare and the mouse and the lion. I'll see you all next time.